Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use VLOOKUP with two spreadsheet. Suppose we need to retrieve data from one sheet to another sheet and we need to use VLOOKUP. So to use VLOOKUP we need to know the formula. So how can we do that? First of all, suppose I want to retrieve data of serial number 1. So in company usually indexing of the employee usually with employee ID. So we can use the serial number as well as the employee ID to retrieve the data of any employee. So how can we do that? First of all, suppose I want to retrieve the data of name, designation and salary with indexing serial numbers. So how can we retrieve that? First of all, suppose this is I want to retrieve the data of serial number 3. So I'm going to use 3 here and then I will use VLOOKUP. So first of all I have to enter 3 serial number here. Now I'm going to use VLOOKUP here. So to use VLOOKUP we need to write VLOOK and now you can press the tab. So it will automatically complete the parenthesis at the end. So now guys, you need to add the lookup value. Lookup value basically it is a indexing value. So we are going to use serial number as index. So we are going to use we are going to select 3 as our lookup value. So how can we use? We just need to select the guys lookup value. We need to just click on the value or click on the serial number. Now we need to add comma. Now we need to guys use, you can see the formula. After lookup value we need to add a table array. So to select a table array, basically we need to select a table from the another sheet. So guys, you can directly select the table from here, but we have to use another. So we can use the table from the another sheet, but it can create a problem for you. It cannot retrieve the data, and so another way to switch to the another window or another sheet is to go to view and then select the switch window, where you need to select the sheet where from you need to retrieve the table data. So I'm going to use spreadsheet Akash. So here I'm going to select my table. So to select the table you can use a shortcut key. So we need to press Control plus Shift. First of all we need to start with A1 and now we need to press Control plus Shift and down and right. So it will create it will select our full table automatically. Now we need to add comma here. Now guys, you can see the formula. It is asking for the column index. So suppose I want to retrieve the name first. So since we are using the serial number to retrieve the data, so first of all we need to select our column or column index number basically. So since we are retrieving the name first, so name is on the second number. Basically the column index of name is 2, so we need to enter 2 here. Now we need to add comma and now we need to select true here, and after adding true at the end of this parameter, now we need to click enter. So you can see that index of 3 yani ki with serial number 3 the name is Vikas. Now we are going to retrieve salary from Vikas. So how can we do that? So to select salary or to retrieve salary of Vikas, we need to use another again VLOOKUP. So again we are going to use VLOOKUP formula. So VLOOKUP. So now again we are going to press tab. So it will automatically add a parenthesis at the end. So we do not need to take care of the parenthesis in the formula after pressing the tab button. Now guys, we are going to select a lookup value. So again we are going to click on this serial number. So it will automatically select or automatically add the lookup value here. Now we need to add comma. Now we are going to select the table again. So we are going to use again switch window option and just go there, and again we are going to select the table, full table. You can manually select the table, full table, or you can use the shortcut key again, Control plus Shift, right and down arrow. So now you can see we have selected the table, complete table. Now we need to enter comma here. Now we need to select the column index. Since we are retrieving the salary, so we are going to or salary is on the number 4 index, so we are going to add 4 index here. Now guys, at the end we need to add true value because we are looking for the approximate match, so we are going to use true value here, and now we need to press enter. And as you can see, it will take you to the back page where we are using the VLOOKUP value, and you can see Vikas salary is to 20,000 rupees and its serial number is 3. Let me confirm here. So 3 with 3 in serial number, his name is Vikas, employee name is Vikas, and his salary is 20,000. You can see that it is retrieving the correct value. Now guys, we can do another thing. If we change the serial number here, it will automatically change the value with respect to the serial number. So let's change serial number here and enter. As you can see, with serial number 5, his employee name is Akash and salary is 15,000. Let me confirm here. With serial number Akash, serial number 5, employee name is Akash and his salary is 15,000. As you can see, so we can use the lookup value to retrieve data for a particular employee ID or serial number or index. So now we are going to retrieve designation of employees. So again we are going to use VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP and press enter, press tab, and now we are going to again select a serial number here, so which is a lookup value. Now add comma. Now we are going to select table array. So don't forget guys, do not select the table from switching from sheet 1 to sheet 2 from here. You need to select the table from this option, switching window. So again we are going to select this full table. So we again just use Control plus Shift and right down arrow. We have selected our table complete, comma. Now we need to add a column index. So designation is on 3 index. So we are going to use 3 here as column index. Now guys, we are going to add comma and we need to enter true here. And now press enter, and as you can see, Akash is doing helper as designation. So basically we have retrieved the all information by just index. So index is basically keep all the information of the employee. So like employee ID does in company. So that's how you can do. Let me change the serial number here. Let's just change it to 7 and see if it changes the value, data. So you can see with serial number 7, employee name is Devinder, salary is 25,000 and designation is in charge. Let me confirm that. So with serial number 7, employee name is Devinder and designation is in charge and his salary 25,000. So that's how you can use that VLOOKUP with two spreadsheets, and so that's how you can retrieve the data of any table using VLOOKUP. I hope you get it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and don't for more video like this, please subscribe to our channel Karam.